What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we got an oldie but goodie back on the channel, and I'm so excited. Can you guess what it is? Well, of course, from the title, duh. It's the Lash Me Monthly Mini Subscription, as well as the Lash Me Monthly Full Box Subscription. Yes. So I'm excited to have these back on my channel. Well, I used to unbox this one a while back. I haven't done the mini before, but I'm happy to have them on our channel. So if you guys want to see what's in January's box, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick little unboxing today of Lash Me Monthly, their full-size box, as well as their mini box. I used to unbox this subscription some months back on my channel, but I had to let them go because I was getting a lot of lashes. But when they reached out to me to see if I wanted to unbox their boxes, I was like, absolutely. Y'all know I'm like a lash queen, so I will never, ever, ever turn down lashes, ever. So we're doing their full-size box as well as their new mini box. So yes, guys, we're going to get some specs in, do our shout outs, and then we're going to get to unboxing. Y'all ready? Let's go. I do want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all dearly. So we're going to start with the Lash Me Monthly Mini. I did not write the price down. I forgot. So I will look it up and put it on the bottom of the screen for you guys. But this one is a monthly subscription. You're going to get 2 to 3 pairs of lashes each month, and they do have a lash quiz on their site to help better suit your lash needs. If you're into more, glamorous lashes or natural lashes or a mixture of both, they have all of that on their site. If you use the code TONYA10, you will get 10% off of your bag. So, yeah, if you want to check them out, use that code, get you 10% off, boo. Now let's see what this month has in store. We do have our little card right here. Their theme for the month is hope and a new beginning. Oh, I like that. So it's 3 pairs of glamorous lashes handpicked to suit your style. Each pair of lashes were handcrafted with cruelty-free silk fibers and designed to last up to 25 wears. And this is what it looks like on the back. It's just giving you a guide on how to put them on. Okay, guys, so let's see what 3 pairs we got. So the first pair up is called New Me. That's what they're looking like, girl. And they got TonyaNicole. They hit her right on the head, huh? Oh my God. And Lash Me Monthly's lashes are so beautiful. They last so long. They're so full and pretty. I absolutely love them. These do retail for $14 each, guys. And then we got the style Golden right here. Beautiful. So remember, if you're not into like super dramatic lashes like I am, you can also opt out for the natural lash or the combination, just in case you want to, try something different. So these are those lashes right here, the style Golden. Love them. And then the last style is Blessed, which I am wearing today because I'm super blessed, y'all. Don't y'all love them? They're so pretty, long, and wispy. I love these lashes. They're so full. They just draw attention right to my eyes like I like. Ooh. So these are Blessed. So you get 3 pairs right here, my loves. I think it's a pretty good deal, especially if you're like over, getting all that makeup and skincare and you just want to get lashes. These 3 pairs, they're good quality. They last a long time. So check them out, and don't forget, save you some money while you're doing so. All of that will be linked down below. Now let's move on to the big daddy. This one right here, guys, is the Lash Me Monthly subscription. This one is $21.99 each month plus free shipping. You're going to get 3 pairs of personalized lashes plus 3 full-size beauty products. There's also a lash quiz on there for you to, pick which lashes you want. They also ask you questions about makeup just to help better suit your needs and your skin tone and your eye shape and all of that good stuff. So I do love that about this company. They actually ask you and give you what you want. If you use the code TONYA10, again, you will save 10% off. So check them out, guys, if you want to. Let's go ahead and open them up. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's always a nice nicely wrapped with this pink paper. And we do get the same little card. It says hope and a new beginning, and I love new beginnings, guys. We do get prices as well as product descriptions, so we'll go through it like that. So let's see what we have. So right on top, we have from the Creme Shop. This is a clear eyelash adhesive right here. Perfect. I think every lash subscription at least twice or 3 times a month should include a full-size adhesive, because that's what you need to glue your lashes on. This one is infused with vitamin E right here. And, you know, it's always good to put your glue on right before you start doing your eye makeup. That way it gets a chance to sit and get kind of tacky. So when you put it on, it'll stick to your eyes much better. It's a cute little package. I love that they have like the Lash Me Monthly type lashes on there. That is a cute little touch. And you do get, let's see how much you get in here, 0.18 ounces of product. I've never tried their lash adhesive, but I am going to because I'm running out of my Kiss lash glue. So we need a replacement, bae. And this one right here retails for $5. And then we have from Laritzi Cosmetics. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick right here. This is in the shade Whip. We'll whip you into shape. Okay. I think I have this color already. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. Love the color. It's like a mauvey pink color, but I'm not going to open this one. I'm just going to put this in a giveaway. But I do love Laritzi's formula. It's really nice. It's long lasting. It really stays in place. And this one right here, my loves, retails for $20. Just remember, whenever you're putting on a matte lipstick, guys, to hydrate your lips before, because nothing is worse than having like dry lips and then it starts cracking and flaking. Oh, girl, that's not cute. And then we have 2 eyeshadows right here, single shadows from the brand Estate right here. So we have one in the shade Pound and the other one in the shade Deeper. Pound Deeper? Estate is like a porn. Is that like a porn makeup site? That's some real Pound Deeper. Okay, boo. Let's look at Deeper first. That's the packaging right there, my loves. And the color, oh, is gorgeous. Look at that blue. I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. There we go. It's like a little shimmer shade. I do like that. Okay. I like this little color, Deeper. And then we have Pound. What color do you think Pound would be? Like red? I don't know. What color? Let me know down below. I'm going to give y'all 10 seconds. Okay, I'm done. So there you go. It's pink. Let's open it up. All right. Oh, it's a pretty pink color though. I will not swatch this because I know I probably will not use this one, but it is a beautiful color. Both of these together retail for $20. And then last, we got our 3 pairs of lashes. So let's go ahead and pull them out. First pair being Inspire. Oh, girl, I'm telling you, these lashes are like, they just speak volumes to me. They're so gorgeous. My goodness, so full and sexy and wispy and just TonyaNicole. Like this is me. This is beautiful. Inspire. I love this pair. Gorgeous. And then we have Cheer. Ooh, okay. So Cheer is also very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. If you don't like dramatic lashes, I challenge you guys to one day after you do your makeup, put some dramatic lashes on, tag me on Instagram, and let me see your final look. Because, girl, I'm telling you. Then we have the style Hope. I've never had lashes like this before. This is brand new to me. This is a different type of design that I'm used to, but guess what? I'm definitely going to try them because they look very interesting and something that I probably will like. Oh my God, beautiful. These retail for $14 a piece. I don't have the grand total, guys, but y'all know I will calculate everything up and put it down on the screen somewhere. So let's recap this thing, boo, and that's it. So we received from Estate these 2 single eyeshadows here in Pound and Deeper. From Laritzi, this liquid lipstick. From the Creme Shop, this lash adhesive. From Lash Me Monthly, these 3 pairs of lashes right here. So that's all that I received in the full-size box. And then in the mini, we received these two, plus the pair that I'm wearing. And all of these lashes are definitely TonyaNicole approved. Absolutely. So final thoughts on Lash Me Monthly's mini as well as their big box. I'm going to tell you, I have truly missed Lash Me Monthly. This was one of my favorite lash subscriptions. I love their lashes. The band bends and fits so perfect to my eyes. I have so many Lash Me Monthly lashes that I still haven't worn yet. But so far, they have really lasted the test of time because I'm hard on lashes, y'all. I sleep in some of them. I go swimming. I get wet. It doesn't matter. If I have lashes on, I'm doing it. So I put them to the test. And for the most part, they have bounced all the way back. So I'm very pleased with their lashes. I am happy with the blue shade of eyeshadow and definitely this lash adhesive. The liquid lipstick is okay. The color Pound is okay, but for the most part, I really enjoyed this month's box. I'm happy to see them back on my channel. I'm so happy that they reached out to me to do PR. Thank you so much, Lash Me Monthly, for considering me the Lash Queen, boo. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you. So guys, if I had to rate this box as well as the mini box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn dumpster. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? We're going to give Lash Me Monthly for the month of January a whopping 4. I am like really excited to try these lashes out, especially these. Like these are, ooh. And y'all know how I feel about lashes. So yeah, let me know down below, guys, what your thoughts are on Lash Me Monthly. Let me know if you're subscribed to them or not. Yeah, if you haven't done so already, make sure you are subscribed to your girl's YouTube channel as well as my Instagram and Twitter. Y'all, I have a new camera coming and a new computer. So our videos are about to get like, ooh, girl, more lit than they are now. Can you imagine? I bought a camera so that we can do more makeup videos, get ready with me's, eyelash tutorials, everything. So y'all could thank me later, boo. All right, loves, that's all that I have. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and seeing you on my next video. Now I have to go prepare myself to babysit my niece. Pray for me, y'all. All right. Bye, loves.